Hi, Shova. Hello. Let's see. I just came back. I don't know what to say. I'm just like, hello, hi, Endor. I had to like look close because it's like the colors blend in. We love Yakuza. I'm so glad you're enjoying it. I'm eating grapes right now, by the way. Seedless, they're so good. Yummy. Hi, Marciello. Oh, we're in the beginning of the next chapter, and I think this is Kiryu's point of view. He's still homeless. How are you today? I'm doing good. I had a lot of work done yesterday.
Oi, Iruka.
Anybody home? Oh, now he has the girl with him. Makoto. And you're still kicking it, man? Oh my gosh, 135 streams for that's crazy. Thank you, Shova. Seriously, bringing a girl to a place like this?
悪いが他に行くとこがね。また少しの間かくまってくれ。しょうがねえな。本当にむさ苦しいところですが、特に匂いとか。
Ooh, I can't imagine the smell.
すみません。
いや、謝ることはないけどさ。なあ、桐生さん。やっぱりこんなとこに若い子を置いとくってのはちょっとな。
Thank you for the lurk.
私の兄が迎えに来るまでお願いします。
お兄さん。ああ。ただ電話しても繋がらねえんだ。だから俺が直接そいつのところに。
Something bad's gonna happen to this homeless guy.
お兄さんってどこにいるんだよ。
No, they're gonna contact her brother?
なんだ、カムロ町の中か。何日も預からなきゃいけないのかと思った。でもアジア街ならこの子を連れて一緒に行けばいいじゃない。
Oh wait, I forgot. Kiryu is working closely with him, so it's okay. Okay, because I'm mixing up point of views with Kiryu and Majima. Especially with Makoto here, because I know that Majima met her first. Hi, Ikjo! Hello, I hope you're doing good. Still owe you for saving us from those homeless hunter punks. Leave it to me, I'm on it. How come Tachibana's not responding? Guess heading to Little Asia is the quickest way to find out. Go to Little Asia! Okay, so, I guess I could talk about some stuff. Well, it's not interesting because it's just work stuff I was doing yesterday night, but I was very excited. Uh-oh, my controller disconnecting and reconnecting. But I finished the arm toggles for the VTuber model. At least the VTuber model commission I'm working on. I'm so happy. I was like, oh my gosh, that was a lot of work. Like, the toggles are working right now. So I'm to the next arm toggle. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm getting so close to done. I can't taste it. I can't smell it. Wait, what is this? Dun 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 dun. I'm sorry. What is this? Oh, there he is. There's a guy over here.
Kiryu-sanだな。Tachibanaに会いに来た。
He's just here to see Tachibana.
ここを通してくれ。
分かってる。止めに来たわけじゃない。あんたを迎えに行くよう、チンさんから言われた。
チンさん。ここの顔役か。
ああ。ついてきな。
Tachibanaは無事なのか。
Is Tachibana all right?
わかるよ。
he does not look good.
立花
That's why he could not contact him. He's out cold.
前に比べて体が弱ってるね。
Oh
2日くらい
no.
一時的に容体が悪くなったんだけど、さっき目を覚ましてやっと落ち着いたとこだ。
連絡取れなくて
Can you just tell him the news? I found your sister.
もう大丈夫です。
それじゃごゆっくり。
Take all the time you need. What is he gonna do if he says that he found his sister?
立花牧村誠はカムロ町に
No, don't say that!
西公園のホームレスにかくまってもらってんだ。
The heck? You don't know what kind of person Tachibana
兄貴
is!
が迎えに来るのを待っている。小田さんから聞いたんですね。彼女が私の妹だと。
Oh no.
お詫びします。あなたにはすべて
Yo, stop sighing!
打ち明けるつもりでした。小田さんにもそう。
Yeah, we don't know if what Tachibana is gonna do with Makoto, even though if they're siblings. You don't know who's listening. If it's not Tachibana that's gonna do something, someone on the other side of the door will do something.
誠を殺そうとした。どういうことですか？
Eh? What do you mean you don't understand? He tried to kill your sister.
それで大阪を出たきり、小田とは連絡が取れていない。
Oh.
おそらく
I'm surprised he even spilled the beans that Oda tried to kill his sister when Oda wanted to be in good, stay in good eyes with Tachibana.
私のせいです。10年前、私は己の運命と戦わず、ただ逃げました。そのせいで母と妹は人生を狂わされたんです。今、小田さんをも巻き込んで。立花、日本人の血を引く私は中国でリーベンクイズと呼ばれていました。その表現は日本人への憎しみが込められたものです。私は周囲の人々に常に怯え、やがて中国から逃げ出したんです。母と妹を見捨てて。その後、中国で日本人と蔑まれた私は、今度は日本で中国人と呼ばれました。
Wait, really?
蒼天堀に来てからは、
He's been in China so long that Japanese people think he's Chinese
自分
now.
の身を守ることに必死でした。一度黒の世界に足を踏み入れた者は周りを喰らいのし上がり続けることでしか生き残れません。少しでも弱みを見せれば周りに食われることになります。そして日々の善悪を振り返る気も失せた、そんな頃でした。母と妹が日本、このカムロ町にいると知ったのは、私は彼女たちを探すため蒼天堀を出ると、持てる力を使ってカムロ町に
To
情報
form
の
a
根を
network
張
of
りました。
knowledge.
探してどうするつもりかは決めていませんでした。ただ私が中国を去った後、そのせいで彼女たちがどんな目にあったか知らずにはいられなかったんです。でも分かったのは、一足違いで妹がカムロ町から姿を消していたこと。母も祖父もすでに亡くなっていたという事実でした。それともう一つ、
The tiny plot of land my sister held rights to the potential to become a fatal obstacle.
やがて
Thank you for the lurk,
カムロ町
mysterious.
再開発計画にとって
I got
致
lost.
命的な障害になり得るということです。
I got so absorbed what's happening right now that I forgot to react.
殻の一つも
ええ。堂島組は
Dojima family has begun funneling tremendous sums of money into
莫大な金を地上げ
real
につぎ
estate
込んでいました。
acquisitions for the project.
彼らの計画通り全てがうまくいけばその金は何倍にもなって堂島組に戻ってくる。しかし
But if their plans met with an obstacle due to the existence of the empty lot, so that means if that's Makoto's lot, then that automatically makes it Tachibana's lot, and then this battle will be over, right?
ああ今その通りのことが起きている。
だから
It's like that's my sister you're trying to grab that lot from.
堂島組の若頭だった風間さんに交渉を申し入れたんです。
Yeah, it would be just very easily to
守るために
what is it?
おやっさんを
Provide the property
なんでだ。
or like
風間さん
exchange
が
hands on the property.
堂島宗平に今以
Need
上
more
の力
power
を
than he
持た
already
れることを
possesses.
恐れていたからです。
何。
堂島宗平の力はすでに自分の器の許容範囲を大きく超えていました。小物が大きすぎる力を持った時の暴走を風間さんは恐れました。堂島宗平が殻の一粒を手にすればそれを手土産に東上界本家若頭の座につくでしょう。
I'm gonna take a
そして
a
ゆ
look
くゆくは
comment
東
real
上界
quick.
の三代目です。
Look, he can't understand because think of it like this. Imagine your lifelong bestie who you trusted your whole life suddenly trying to do something like ruin your life for no reason at all. Hello, Mui. Hi, Val. How are you? But yeah, I think that's why he was like so confused why Oda tried to kill his sister. He was like, but what? Why? I don't understand. I thought we were besties. Why did he try to kill my sister? He knew that was my sister. But I think the reason why he wanted... Why did he want to kill her? Snap. I don't remember the reason why. But I think he wanted to remain... What is it? He's not the favorite. He was never a favorite, Oda. Unbelievable, right? Yeah, I understand in Tachibana's point of view, it's like, but why? Why would... But it's... Oh, now I remember why Oda wanted to kill Makoto. Because he was the one who sold Makoto to... Like, sold her off as, like, what is it? Sold her off to somebody else. And that's why Tachibana lost contact. And he didn't know that was Tachibana's sister. And he's afraid that Makoto's gonna tell Tachibana what he did. So that's why he wanted to kill Makoto. He didn't do it because it was Tachibana's sister, but probably because that he didn't want Tachibana to know that he was the one who sold his mother and Makoto off. Yeah, because she knows. Yeah, that's... And Kiryu omitted that detailed information because he wanted to keep Oda in a good light to Tachibana. But I felt like telling Tachibana that Oda was gonna kill her is still not good. I feel like he should have not said that to him. Because he did some stuff to her and she would have snitched on bro that did that to her. Yeah. Yeah. And now I remember. I was like, I forgot. Now I remember. To become the Tojo's third chairman, even Kazuma-san will be unable to stop him. Hmm?
風間さんは私の持つカムロ町の情報網をもとに不動産会社を作るよう言いました。堂島組よりも早く殻の一粒を手にして妹を守れるように、そしてそれをできるだけの力を手にするようにと。
それじゃ橘不動産はおやっさんの指示で作ったのか。
橘不動産の誕生、そして殻の一粒にまつわるこれまでの出来事はすべて風間慎太郎という
Perfect play, penned
天
by a
才が描いた
genius.
シナリオの上で起こったものだということです。 私は妹に会うため、風間さんは裏から登場会という組織をコントロールするため、互いに手を取り合ったというのが、あなたと私が今ここにいる理由です。ただ妹は
We got cutscene.
家族を捨てた私を恨んでいるかもしれません。数日前、セルさんから妹は目が見えないと知らされた時、
So he knows that.
兄と名乗らない方がいいと思いました。
今はそう思っていないってことか。
ええ。あなたが私に聞かせてくれた。
Oh, it's like, it's not my sister.
女性はやはり
Oh, it is?
私が記憶する
Nah.
妹でした。
He is accepting that that is his sister.
蒼天堀にいた理由も私を
She was looking for him. Oh my
ずっとこ
gosh.
んな私を探してくれていたんです。
立場
So Tachibana's not a bad person.
私は
I was in the thought that he was a bad person because he had the bat tattoo that Makoto was talking about.
会いたいです。
I need to see Zhao.
今の私はそのためだけに生きながらえています。もう二度と逃げたくはありません。
Tachibana.
彼女はあんたを恨んでなんかいねえ。だが今もあんたの助けが
She
必要だ。
still needs your help. As a big brother? No,
ど
don't
うし
tell
ま
me.
組だ。奴ら立花さんを出せと言ってる。
Oh no.
ここにいるのがバレたんだ。
なんだと。
Oh no, this is a predicament. They're after Makoto and Tachibana. Don't worry, I got this.
立花だ。
Tachibana, sit back and relax. I got you.
お前らの狙いは立花なのか。てめえもい
You're
た
in here too, Kiryu.
いい加減死んどけ。
Well, I'm not dead yet. Thank you for the headpads. What is this pose? Oh god, oh god. That's not fair. Oh god, oh god, let me grab something. There we go. Oh, I didn't see that. Alright. There we go. Take this. Think fast. Whoa! You're not muted? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not muted. You made me look. Come on. Alright. I see you face down. Oof. Alright, and just like stomp him down. Ooh. Ooh. Crush that with his feet. Oh, that's Tachibana. That's... I wish it showed me who's my allies because I thought that was a enemy. Oh, come on. You can do this. Yeah! Grit those teeth. Tachibana, what are you doing? He's just standing there and then he spins. The table fist combo. Holy moly. Bro doesn't know when you are slacking Tachibana. It appeared that we were the only ones for now. But they know you've been hiding here. More will be coming. Indeed. You should leave through the back. It is this way. He was missing all his shots. Really? I didn't even notice. I can't stay in Little Asia. Get me out of here. Yes, yes, yes. Man, I don't know if Makoto's still gonna be there. Nowhere is safe for her. Yes, yes, yes! Get her ownership out of there! That's the whole reason why they're after her! What's happening? Oh no, they're watching. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Did they hear? No! Kiryu! No! Tachibana, get out of there! Tachibana! Wait, they were only after Kiryu? I did not expect that, honestly. I was expecting him to do that to Tachibana, not Kiryu, but I guess this guy is smart. It's like, disarm the guy that's really strong. The player can control. Kiryu, you'll be fine. You're like an ox. Oh my gosh, Kiryu. And the thing is that he's the only one who knows where Tachibana is. I mean, not Tachibana, Makoto. Oh no, get out of there, Tachibana. He's gonna shoot you in the head. Most effective hitman I am aware of. Oh god. He is certainly smart. What does he remind me of? He reminds me of an anime character, but I forget who. You know what? I think I know who he reminds me of. Just a little bit. Kind of reminds me of one character from Ranma 1/2 who likes to curse people. Oh, jeez.
今の私たちではラオグエを相手に逃げることも戦うこともできません。ですが
What are you gonna do?
あなた一人だけなら
No.
逃げられます。
Tachibana, what are you doing?
頼みます。
Are you gonna sacrifice your life? What are you gonna do? You cannot fight him with a shard of glass.
只要你不乱动，我就不惜死在你眼前。
那个男人跟我的契约没关系，所以我没兴趣。
Oh my gosh, he's putting himself hostage. Kiryu, you are so strong. Oh god. He's trying to move. Endor is saying that Tachibana's Chinese is actually so fluent, but Lao Gui though is not. His Chinese is not fluent, but Tachibana's is. No wonder the Japanese people think he's Chinese. Oh, his wounds are dressed.
あんた陳さん
立花さんが堂島組に連れ去られたから3時間というところだ。今アジア外の人間に行方を探らせている。渋沢という堂島組の幹部がここで立花さんが投石を受けていたことを知っていた。織田が情報を漏らしていたらしい。
渋沢は今まで立花のことを泳がせていたってことか。
織田は渋沢の犬だった。立花さんに牧村誠を探させて横取りするつもりだったのだろう。私が渋沢という男ならそうする。
That's what I would do if I were him.
それより立花の居所は本当にわかるのか。
約束はできんが手は尽くしている。私はあの子を後継者にとさえ考えていた。本心から助けてやりたいと思っている。ところであなたは知っているかな。殻の一坪は立花さんと牧村誠の祖父牧村源三という男が持っていた土地の一部だった。彼は戦後になって土地を手放さざるを得なかったらし
Hard
い。
times forced him to sell off most of his properties, but
記
records
録
show that
に
he
よれば
negotiated with 4
一
different
度に4人の
buyers.
買い手と交渉してわざわざ土地をバラバラに分割して売っている。おそらく意図的に一坪だけ自分の手元に残るようにするためだろう。
どういうことだ。
この時牧村源三には中国で生き別れた娘がいた。
Ah, so he bought it and put it under Makoto's name. Oh.
牧村は彼女がもし自分を日本まで探しに来た時、そのたった一坪の土地が再会の目印になると思ったんじゃないだろうか。
Uh-oh. Whoops.
これは私の想像に過ぎんがね。
It was rather a curse than a
皮肉
blessing,
なも
though.
のだ。こう思う親の気持ち
That
が
was her father that
今
did
ヤ
that.
クザの争奪戦に巻き込まれて立花さんたちを危機にさらしている。だが悪いのは一坪の土地を残した牧村じゃない。あなたたち
He's not Yakuza anymore. What are you talking about? Kiryu
今
doesn't
頃
even
堂
care
島
about
組
that
は
plot of land.
立花さんを拷問にかけているはずだ。牧村誠を捕らえるために。しかしだからといって我々が堂島組に直接手を出せばアジア外はもはや登場界から存在を許されない。
場所さえ分かれば俺が行く。俺が必ず
Whatever it takes.
立花を救い出す。
そのためにあなたを手当てした。
Aww.
どれだけ傷が痛もうが
Well, I hope those bullets are out of his chest and leg.
望むところだ。
結構。
Oh, that's why he thinks he's Yakuza because of his back tattoo.
それまでは
But I don't
彼の
think
元についててやる。
Kiryu's gonna go back to being Yakuza. I think he's gonna stay as a civilian. I should check on Makoto. Not like I could do much till they find Tachibana anyway. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, this is so skinny. Skinny way. It's so narrow. Oh my gosh, it's so narrow. I'm trying to find my way out. It's so skinny in here. Oh no.
堂島組か。
There's like a... Oh wait, I did read that.
お前もいい加減目障りだって上からのお達しでな。
Yeah, it is looking for you. The men upstairs decided they're tired of dealing with your crap. Kill on sight, they said. Oh, he's still hurting.
たくよ。いつまでしぶとく生きてやがんだ、お前。今どんな気分だ？立花にそそのかされて堂島に喧嘩打った挙句はしご外されてよ。あいつも今頃落ちんでるかもな。なあ、そうだろ？錦山。
錦。
もうてめえの味方はどこにもいねえ。これでしまいにしようや。キリュウ。
That put an end to it all.
立花は今久世の兄貴が拷問してる。もう殻の一粒が堂島組の手に落ちんのは時間の問題だ。それでもまだ望みはあんのか。
立花は今どこだ？
Where's Tachibana now?
俺ら下っ端には知らされてない。もし知ってても教えられね
Wait, isn't that our bro? Why is he acting so distant from us? Is he forced to do this?
てめえら二人、ここでどっちか死ぬまでやり合え。
なんだと？
お前の手柄にしてやるぞ、錦山。兄弟ぶっ殺してのし上がってみろや。
極道ってな、どいつもこいつもバカばっかだ。
Are you taking my side?
どういうつもりだ、この野郎。
His
殻の
mouth.
一粒はじき堂島の手に落ちる。となりゃ風間のおやっさんもしまいだ。俺がそんなのを黙って見てると思うか。相手が誰だろうとな。
Nishikiyama, I'm sorry I doubted you. I thought you were a bad person, but you actually are super sweet.
自分が何してんのか分かってんのか？
I think he is.
言ったはずだ。今俺に手を貸せば、お前は。うるせえ！
He's like, I'm gonna be with you no matter what.
おめえがいねえ登場会でのし上がっても意味がねえんだ。
Yeah!
おめえがいくら言ったとこで俺との縁は切らしゃしねえ。
錦。
覚悟しろよ。俺は一生おめえに
Oh, like marriage!
そこまで腹くくられたんじゃ。もう何も。
It was like Kitty's like, you know, there's gonna be so much art with us together. Oh. Oh, imagine Kitty doing the same. He has a koi fish. Kitty, are you gonna take off your shirt too? He is! And then his is a dragon. Together, we're a complete set.
暴れてやろうぜ、兄弟。
Kyoidai.
行くぞ。
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think it's reflecting. Alright, come on. Beat him up. Yeah. Ah! You made me lose my piece. Oh god. Ow, 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 ow. Oh! Did you gosh, why is my target not working? It has a mind of its own. Ouch. Ooh! Oh, snap! Arigato, man! Let's bring it to them. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, this is kind of going crazy. I got some bento boxes here. Oh god. Stop it. Stop. Grabs your hair. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, that was not enough. Just step on him. Oh god. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. And then just step on him. Some more. Oh, 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 oh. Who's hitting me? Okay. Oh god. Come on. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh my gosh. You're blocking. Alright, one of you is gonna die. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Oh god. Oh, he's fine. He's fine. You got hit by the belly button. I sure did. God, I'm invincible. I feel around you. Aww. I always feel invincible around you. Bro. Yeah, bro. Only you, bro. Let's kiss, bro. I'm sorry. I need to head to the homeless area in the West Park. Until we get Tachibana back. You and I need to keep her safe. Yeah. Only us, bro. The game foreign dubbers are so inconsistent. Yeah, that's unfortunate because I know that happens. I understand a little bit of Japanese, and I do see the what is it? The localizers taking liberties of changing what is being said in the script. And I really don't like that because sometimes it's a lot deeper when you hear the original script versus what they decide to localize. It loses a lot of information. What is it, bro? Oh, thank you. You too, bro. You wanna go to the dark alley together, bro? Yeah, I'm so glad you're here, bro. We can have a bed together, bro. I'm sorry. Just tell me whenever you want to go to bed together, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm sorry, bro. There's a girl here.
Kiryu-san?
There's someone with you? Yeah, meet my bro.
もしかしてお兄ちゃん
No, it's not your brother. Gonna get a little complicated. One moment you hear actually fluent Mandarin, next it's like obviously Japanese accent.
兄が東島組にさらわれたそんな
兄って立花えこの子殻の一粒の持ち主だろう
How are you two? How are the two of you siblings?
どうなってんだ
Or how the two of them are siblings?
ぺんに聞くな。
Crazy.
とにかく今は立花を取り戻すことだ。
Yeah, we need to get Tachibana back.
やっと会えると思ったのに。
I know. It stinks.
立花をさらったのは堂島組
They're
の
never
渋沢
gonna
の
see
指図
each other.
渋沢。
大阪で俺たちを襲ってきたやつだ。堂島組若頭補佐の一人。今はそいつが堂島組を動かしているってことらしい。
堂島組は兄じゃなく。
Sorry, bro, but they gotta do it for the. I know they have to create some sort of conflict
すまない。
to prevent them from meeting so soon.
あいつを守ってやる。
But even if they did meet, I feel like there would still be some sort of extra conflict between the two because you don't know if Tachibana
俺が
is a good person or not.
命に
But I feel like he is.
アジア街の顔役からだ。
Yoder from Little Asia. We gotta go back.
俺も行くぜ。
桐生さん。兄をお願いします。
No,
お願い。
Makoto, we can't lose you either.
お願いだから。
わかった。すぐに会わせてやる。
We'll see him real soon.
必ずな。
Oh, Kitty, you better keep that promise. Kitty almost died. They did not even care if Kiryu died because he's just a bodyguard.
急ごう桐生。アジア街から立花の居場所を聞くんだ。すぐに電話しねえと。
It's crazy. Oops, sorry. It's crazy though because like Tachibana doesn't throw away people's lives that easily. He actually treasured Kiryu's life and said, "Hey, don't go out there. Stay alive. I'm gonna just bring myself to them." And it's like, Tachibana, you're the most important person they want right now. I feel like if Kiryu, I know we love Kiryu, we play as Kiryu and stuff, but I feel like as a bodyguard, Kiryu would have to be the one to protect Tachibana till the very end, kind of thing. But Tachibana really treasures Kiryu's life, or even like all his subordinates' life, pretty much, over his own. And it's like, Tachibana!
アジア街の顔
Where
役
were we
か
at, bro?
信用できるわ。
Where Tachibana stopped
俺は
throwing.
立花が連れてかれた後、アジア街で倒れて、あの人が敵なら
Chen wants to be dead. Oh,
今
wait,
頃
what?
俺
I
は
saw,
もう
heard
生きちゃ
something.
いなかったはずだ。それに俺に立花を助けるために
Aha! What? If you're looking for a payphone, there's one at the park. Get the horn and find out where Tachibana's at. Right. So... Oh, wait, we're looking for a payphone? Oh! Whoops. We're going to the save state. The guys in Little Asia should have tracked down Tachibana by now. Gotta hurry or he'll be killed. Kiryu-san.
立花の居所はつかめたか。
殻の一坪に隣接しているハイビルだ。七福通り沿いにあるクレッシェンドビル。
You're
そ
holding
こ
in
の
the
地下室に
basement.
連れ込まれたらしい。
クレッシェンドビルだな。
人数は
There's only about 7 of them, but Kuze is there. But you know him, right?
クゼという男がそこにいる。知ってるね。
ああ
クゼは渋沢の命令で動いているようだ。その前は阿波野についてたが、くら替えしたと見える。よほど後がないらしい。
That makes him
だが
dangerous.
そういう男ほど危険だ。
分かっている。
よかっ
立花
た。
さんを頼む。桐生さん。
錦。立花は七福通りのクレッシェンドビルだ。クゼもいる。
わかった。とにかく急ごう。よし。
All right,
Yeah, we'll see.
let's
桐生。
let's go. We're gonna go see Tachibana. I didn't even remember what he said. I had a brain fart. Oh, what this plant? I'm so fascinated by it. I keep pressing the R2 button. Oh, nuts. Hi, Dojima family. It's nice to see you. Oh god, you got a sword. Yeah! I'm so glad I have friends. Oh! Pounce on that man. Average Mui. Oh god. How did you get a sword? What the? Oh, different perspective. How did you get a sword again? Stay dead. Stay down. This is the end for you. Oh. Aha. Ba-da-ba-da-bum, bum, 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 ba-da-bum.
牧村誠はずっと立花のことを探してたのか。
そうでも
Alright, where is...
兄のことを探し回ってたらしい。
Over here? Kicks over swords, exactly. Can't touch me with the sword.
この中に立花がいるんだ。
このビルの
Man,
地
we've
下
been
室
non-stop fighting.
キリュウ、一度入ったらもう
There's
後
no
戻り
turning
できない
back. You ready for this? I mean, I don't have any quests that I'm working on, so yeah, I could do this.
行こう。
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Tachibana. Oh!
んじゃあ次6本目行こうか。
No, 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 no. Stop it!
ああ、7本目もまとめていっちまった。
Duh!
指先
They're making him lose his fingers.
神経が集中して痛みを与えるのに最適です。まあな。
Wait, what?
手の指と合わせて残りたったの8本。全部潰れるまでに私の口割れますか。なめやがって。
Oh my gosh. Oh
い
my
い加減
god.
開けやおら。牧村誠はどこだっつってんだ。私に泣き入れてないで。
No.
ちゃんと仕事。
Tachibana!
渋沢さんに怒られちゃいますよ。あなたも後がないんでしょう。クゼさん。この野郎！
殺しちまったら何も聞き出せねえだろうが。てめえを殴るしか能がねえのか。お？
あと少しで口割りますよ、こいつは。
まだわかんねえのか。
He probably has a good way of torturing.
いい加減他の手考えろや。
そんなもん俺ができるわけないでしょ。
あ
あ？俺はね、兄貴、人間殴んのがたまんねえから極道やってんです。
Not his crazy reason.
極道に頭
So
使え
basically,
なんて
people in the Yakuza are
いつから
bullies.
そんなぬるくなっちまったんですか。そんなんだから何度も下手打つんでしょうが。
誰に向かって口聞いてんだ。てめえを見てて思い出したよ。俺はな、自分より強えと思える奴を殴るために。
Oh, now that's a respectable reason. He wants to beat people stronger than him.
一緒にするな。
I mean, being the Yakuza, you are gonna attract people to fight you and stuff.
ちょっと何する気ですか。情報を引き出す前にこいつがバカに殺されたとあっちゃ、この俺がいい笑いもんだ。てめえ。
What?
おい。何見てんだ俺。
No! He tried to kill himself!
バカ野郎が。
Oh my gosh. Oh, he's just unconscious.
てめえらなんでここが。
How'd you find this place? I have my reasons. Yeah, Kiryu, get angry. Get angry, Kiryu.
なるようになっちまうもんだな。
Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh, did he break his nose? Alright, we can beat him. I believe. Oh, ooh! Oh god. Okay, I'm not just dealing with him. Ooh. They have a knife? Get down! Get down! Alright, there we go. Oh god, I'm dealing with the wrong guy. I'm dealing with the wrong guy. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Protect my bro. Oh, you bro. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, nice. Oh, come on! Oh, come on! I'm trying to... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me get some food. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Ooh! Stop it, stop it, stop it! It's just so crowded in here. Oh my gosh, I'm just... Oh, nah. Alright, nice, nice, nice. Alright, nice. Another one down. Ooh. Ooh, get out, get out, get out! Ooh, nice! He was not even pointing at my bro. Oh, it's just you. It's just you. Oh, wait, no, there's still another guy. Ooh! Oh, yeah, 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 yeah! I got you! I got you. Come on. Just so I can focus on Kuze. It's just us two together. Oh yeah. Let's go. You're so focused on me. Ooh. that hurts. That hurts. That hurts. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is not too bad, actually. Come on, make a move. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god! We both fell! Alright, we both fell. Let me get some food real quick. I have 150,000. Wait, can I get an ability right now? I could try to go for a brawler. I did hear the beast would be recommended, but like, oh my gosh. Did not even realize. Snatching strike. After certain finishing blows, grab the enemy again and do a savage strike. Or I could do regard. Put your guard up again and breaks through the barrier when it's on the first or second heat bar. Oh wait, this is actually pretty low. Body counter, body blow unleashed from the guard position. The fewer heat bars you fill, the more powerful the attack will be. Extra quick step distance. Ooh. Boost health. Azure Dragon Spirit. And then this one is Brawl Mastery Wrath. When your first attack after the start of battle, it sends the enemy flying. The heat gauge will fill to your third bar. These are all pretty good. I'm thinking I should get quick step distance, but at the same time, more health. More health. More health is good. And then I also see this regard. I think I could go without regard at the moment, but Brawl Mastery, I think would be pretty good. But what is this? How do I get this, maybe I need to unlock more skills? I'm not sure. Don't know what I need to get that unlocked. Alright. Oh god! Go, 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 go! Yeah, there we go! I think one more. Oh, never mind, not one more. Come on. I dare you. Come on! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I think we were just missing each other because he was not even hitting me. Come on, Tachibana.
Kiryu.
That was Tachibana's feet. We actually like, yeah, let's do. Oh my gosh, his feet. He was not even doing well before he even captured.
おい、立花。よせ。妹がすぐそこまで来てるんだ。ずっと会いたかったんだろう。今連れてきてやる。錦頼む。誠をここに。
I feel like for this whole ordeal, I understand why they don't want to give to the Yakuza though. Why they don't want to give the plot of land. They don't want the Yakuza to take control of the entire town. So, yeah. The one controlling him is Dojima Sohei?
クゼが言ってました。すべての人は道島が
I mean,
引いています。
isn't that not... What is it? Isn't that very obvious? But...
あなたに
Oh! No way, Tachibana, don't die!
なんだ。
Tachibana. No way, he actually died?
お前の妹は必ず俺が守る。約束する。絶対に守るからな。
That's just sweat in my eyes. Oh, he used all his strength to stay alive. Oh no, that guy's still awake.
ほら、てめえのやるべきことをやったまでだ。殻の一粒はもう堂島組だけの問題じゃねえ。あの土地を近江連合に売ろう
Who
と
is
してる
even the Army Alliance?
登場界の中にいた。裏切り者よ。そいつが誰なのかまだわからねえ。ただそういう動きがあるのは確かだ。もし殻の一つを
If the empty lot falls into the army hands.
奴らは再開発計画を乗っ取れる。東京進出だ。そして登場界に戦争を。
知ったことか。
桐生
He's like, I don't care.
登場界全部を敵に回す気か。
Sure.
牧村誠に指一本でも触れてみろ。俺が登場界を潰す。
Whoa.
一人残らず叩き潰す。それが俺の覚悟だ。
Wow. What do you mean, what?
小僧がとうとう化けやがった。本物の極道に。
桐生。
お兄ちゃん
Oh. Oh no, he does. She doesn't know that's. Oh
お兄ちゃん
no.
どこ
Body's cold. Oh. Oh no. You're tired. No.
大変だったね。お兄ち
Oh.
There's no audio!
I'm not muted. I'm taking this all in. Nope. Chapter 14. Oh, man. Previously in the tale of Goro Majima.
牧村誠の行方はただ一人の味方だったリーの死とともに消え去った。
Now we're going to Majima's point of view.
佐川、西谷といった誠を狙う勢力とともに彼女を連れ去った白いスーツの男を追う。
Man, this hurts.
間もなく浮かび上がってきたのはかつて真島もその一員だった登場界の影。彼らはすでにカムロ町の不動産屋を使い密かに誠をカムロ町へ立たせていたのだった。
Man, I do not like that guy. I forget what his name is, but like, he's constantly messing things up.
カムロ町を目指す。ただし、真島に課せられているのは今なお牧村誠の殺害に他ならない。
Alright, going saving. Scattered light. I don't know how far I am into the story, if I'm very close to the end or if I'm in the middle right now. But it looks like a lot of things are... I feel like it's getting close to the end. Hi, Digi! Hello, hello! Oh, what's happening here? Eh? Drink your own! Majima, please don't hurt this guy. Oh, who do they belong to? Snap, I do feel sorry for that guy. But Majima knows not to mess with them. Got any news for me?
ただ街歩き回ったとこでどうにもならんわ。橘不動産の他の字もない。
I haven't heard so much as a T in Tachibana.
お前本気で探してやしねえんだもんな。もう女を見つけて殺すしかお前には生きる道はねえ。
No.
そいつは納得づくなはずだろう。
Hmm.
蒼天堀から牧村誠が消えてもう丸一日だ。早いとこ橘不動産から取り戻さないと
Yeah,
完全
you
に見
lost
失っ
her.
ちまうぞ。
She is not in
そうならお
town.
前はもう終わりだ。
Oh,
こんとこ分かってんのか。
why did this suddenly become
だったらもっとやる気出
mandatory?
しても良さそうなもんじゃない？俺だってこん
I
な
thought
狭い
this
と
was
こにパンツメになって我
optional
慢してん
to
だ。
like find Makoto.
近江の人
Didn't
間が
realize it was
カム
that
ロ町で幅利
important
か
to
して
you
たこ
guys.
となんでね。お前に動いてもらうしかねえんだよ。
せやったら島野の親父にも手借りたらええやないが。正直に女に逃げられた言うてな。
ダメだ。島野には言えねえ。女は俺とお前だけで片付けんだ。 勘違いすんなよ。俺は島野を怖がってるわけじゃねえ。こいつはちょっとした政治の
It's
話で
just
ね。
politics is all. As an
近江
army.
連合の
Ah,
人間として
he's
この
from
件で島野に
army.
弱みを見せるわけにはいかねえんだ。
どういうこっちゃ。
I
牧
see.
村誠の一件は
You
近
know
江
what?
連合の
Both
上
Ami
層
and
部と
Dojima are
島野の
both
共
terrible
同作
people.
戦なんだよ。近江連合には
I
島
think
野
that's
か
pretty
ら
obvious, but
空の
between
一
the
坪
two
を100
evils,
億
I
で買
feel
い
like
取るよう
Dojima
に
is not as bad as Ami.
なんやと。
近江連合の狙いはズバリカムロ町そのものだ。空の一坪はカムロ町再開発計画の鍵を握っているからな。そいつを近江が抑えちまえば
Ami
再
gets
開
their
発
hands
に
on
絡
it,
む
they could
東
snatch
上
the
界の
whole
島を
flat
一気に
slice
奪え
of
る。
Tojo turf.
そうなりゃ近江は山ほど兵隊をカムロ町に送り込めるんだよ。東上界が抵抗する間
They
もな
make
く
10 billion back in no time. All right, let me take a look. It's interesting because they're always only as bad as whoever's leading them at the time, and that changes every game more or less. Oh, so whoever's the leader, it depends on like how evil they are, pretty much. So like sometimes Dojima will be more evil than Ami, and then the other way around as well. And I did remember in the beginning when we got to meet the leader of Dojima, and he was pretty chill. He was a very chill guy. It's just his underlings were just pretty evil, but the boss, not so bad. I think he was a respectable boss. But the boss and Ami, not so much.
100億ぐらいはすぐに回収できる。
I do know, sorry for pausing again. I do know that the leader of the Tojo clan, I really like as well. I think he's a respectable guy as well. I feel like the leaders have a lot of good in their heart. Well, not good, but they're like, they are respectable. That there's a good reason why people follow them because they like them and they have a good charismatic attitude, and then they're also like very understanding and stuff. But then the underlings are all like trying so hard to like, I guess, like pounce over each other and stuff and destroy each other just to climb to the top. And mostly the reason why people get to the top is because that they are well liked, not because of what kind of accomplishments they did. There's only so far you can go when you do that. There's a lot like so and so tries to do hostile takeover kind of thing. Ah, I see. But yeah, it kind of reminds me of real life too. Of like sometimes like if you're talking about jobs or even other content creators and stuff, they're at the top because of their charisma and how well they get along with people and stuff. How they can get, like if you're talking about a boss at work and stuff, um a lot of the bosses I have seen or like heard about and stuff, they are very uh they get the work done because people want to please them because they either like them and stuff and they treat them well. Now, if a boss gets up there and they're not a good person, that's usually when a business falls apart. Usually. But yeah. I'm sorry, got into all that. This is what it's reminding me of when I'm seeing like the Tojo clan and the Dojima clan here.
そう。島野は東京に進出してきた
Because I can see
近江の
why
兵隊
people
を
want to
後ろ
follow
盾にして
them.
東上界を取るって腹なんだよ。近江の東京進出を許す見返りに、兄弟は東上界のトップ
It's
に
just
なる。
sad that the people that are under
その時、
the
島野
what
と
is
近江
it?
連合
People
は
in the
カムロ
middle
町の取り
level
分を
who are
話
over
し
the
合うことに
smaller
なる。
people, they're really hard
だ
on
から
them.
俺が今、島野に弱みを見せたらそこにつ
Like
け込まれちまう
in
って
a
わけ。
cruel way.
もっとも女殺す役にお前を指名したのは島野だ。女に逃げられた責任はあいつにもあると思うけど。
ちょ待てや。
Hold
親父の
on a
狙いが土
sec.
地やったら、なんで牧村誠を殺さなあかんねん。所有者やったとこで土地が手に入るわけないやろ。
それについちゃ島野に何か考えがあるらしい。どういうからくりになってんのか、あいつは任せろとしか言わねえ。けど、近江連合の上はそれで承知した。実際、大したやつだよ。 島野ってな。
せやったらあんたへの見返りは何や。この件であんたにも得はあるんやろ。
カムロ町の支配者の座さ。近江連合側のね。
あんた島野の親父から何も聞かされとらん言うてなかったか。ずいぶん話がちゃうやねん。
Uh-oh, whoops.
お前に知らせる必要はねえと思ってただけだ。今は事情が変わったろ。そろそろ休憩は終わりにしろよ、真島ちゃん。結局立花不動産と女を見つけねえと話にならねえ。とりあえず探す当てがねえならチャンピオン街に行ってみろ。
そこになんかあるんか。
最近まで立花不動産の人間が出入りしてたってよ。ちょっと古い情報らしいがな。
So Tachibana's boys have been seen in the Champion District. Good place to go as any. Let's have a look. Go to the Champion District. Is there anything I can do though before I do that? I wonder. It looks like I could go around. What is this? This is Serena. That's a store place. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute! We're in Kamurocho! We're not in suit and booty? Wait, is Majima and Kiryu going to meet each other? What? I was gonna do my little daily thing by doing the... What is it? Sunshine and stuff. And then I realized, wait, this isn't suit and booty? Wait a minute. Since I'm in Kamurocho, that means I can buy the bento boxes. Oh my gosh, wait. Let me see, where's the bento boxes? I need to buy some. Alright, it's up ahead, up straight. Oh my gosh, this is the best place ever. I'm gonna get bento boxes for Majima. Oh my gosh. Majima, you're gonna eat so good. Mui has a bewildered, where am I? I know, I was so confused. I was like, wait a minute, this isn't Sutenbori. Hello. Alright, I'm gonna buy some sushi sets. Can I max out? Yeah. Heck yeah. Can I just eat some stuff? Oh wait, maybe I could store it. Yeah, I could store this. And just buy all the bento boxes I can buy. Alright, there's this little save place over here. Oh my gosh, I remember saving here so much. This is where all the homeless people hang out. Here. And then there. And then we can put in the Swiss watch and the Italian women's watch. And then we can go ahead. What are you talking about? Sure, let's help him. Yeah, let's intervene. Yeah. I know the drill. Oh, this guy runs away? Whoa! Oof. Ooh, snap. Oh my gosh, this little backflip thing he does. Oh god. Oh god, I was trying to... Oh god. bad thing about the bat is that when it hits the wall, I bounce back and I become open. It hits hard, but it's bad in closed-off areas. A slightly better toughness of light. Yeah, sure. I want my sushi sets. Oh my gosh. Ma'am, I want your whole stock. Give me your whole stock. Can't believe it. Alright, yup. I'm not being excessive. I'm gonna go back into the phone and I'm probably gonna buy some more. Have you heard of Like a Dragon Ishin? It's a Yakuza spin-off that takes place in 1860s. Whoa. Okay, I heard of Like a Dragon, but I did not know it took place that far back in time. I thought it took place in modern time. That was like, I guess like what I thought it was gonna be. But hearing that it takes place even further back, that's very interesting. Let me use the item box. I'm gonna see if I can just store a bunch of these. It's so silly. Okay, I think I'll have that. And then try to buy the rest of my sushi set. And I think I'm good for the rest of the game. These sushi sets are a miracle worker. It's just one game that far in the past, you play as a samurai. A samurai? So instead of punching, you're using a samurai sword. That's actually so cool. Alright. Sushi set again. Alright, buy it. Alright, I bought your whole stock. Well, not your whole stock, but I bought a lot. I bought so much sushi sets, and I think I'm good. I'll be very sad when I run out. Kiryu doesn't know how good he has it. I've been suffering without sushi sets in Majima's route. Wait. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Ah, no! Snap! Alright, let's see what happens. Oof. Oh. Okay, he's dead. Oh, you get a lot of money for that. 11 million for beating a Novo Rich? Eh? Maybe I should look out for those guys all the time. Alright, let's see. It's funny how cheap everything is, because you make so much money from this game and stuff. So like everything's like super cheap. Although I feel like 3,000 yen for a sushi set is kind of expensive, don't you think? Oh, whoops. Majima was like, ah, you again. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Of course, going into the edge. Are you serious? Oh god. Stop. Stop. Oh, I got one. There we go. Got you. Got your head. Man, he hits hard. He hits harder than Kiryu. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Man. Oh god. Alright, there we go. I got somebody. Will it finish him? No, but if I step on him, it will. Oh, whoops. I went the wrong way. Curse you, perception! Okay, there we go. I got 2 million from that. Yeah, I think they were spoofing the bubble economy of the era. Oh! Oh, so wait, the bubble economy is when everybody had so much money, but everything costed so cheap? Is that what it is? Man, I wish those days came back. That would have been really nice. Well, here I am in the Champion District. Any one of Tachibana's guys is still kicking around here? Are they? Tachibana, where are you? Really? Do I actually have to look around in here? Maybe they're in... Angel... Oh my gosh, I cannot... My perception is so bad in these maps because it's so tiny. Okay, how about you? What would you like? Don't order. Oh, that's too bad. Well, I'm glad you respect my decision. Sometimes, shopkeepers get really upset when you don't buy anything. It's like, what are you doing here? Get out! If you're not buying anything, get out of here! I'm like, I'm sorry. I don't totally know, but like, obscene amounts of money was flying around, especially for a property, but the economy was running too hot and it eventually crashed. Oh, I see. What can I get you? What do you sell? Oh, whoa! You sell some really high quality alcohol. Fair enough. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's anybody here. Eat out. Eat out. I don't know where to find these guys. They're saying that they're around here somewhere. Oh, who are you? What do you want?
この辺に立花不動産の人間が出入りしとるって聞いたんやけどな。
Mind if I pick in your brain for a bit?
あんたもどこかの組の人?
A family man?
いや、そんなんちゃう。
まあいいや。ここ何日かは立花さんとこの人は来てないよ。
I see.
来るのは
What a terrible time to live in.
俺らも立花不動産の人たち探してるくらいでね。でもなんかやばいことになってる。
I wonder, is Yakuza not as big nowadays versus back then? Because I feel like the Yakuza would have been a really big back in the 80s, like they're showing here.
大きにな。
They're all but dead. Wait, what do you mean? Maybe the real Yakuza was a friend we made along the way! Another swing and a miss. Where the heck is she? Not over here. We just have to find... Oh my gosh. Camera! Camera? A? Oh my gosh, this camera does not want to move. Camera? Behave? Okay, nobody there. Nobody there either. My other guess is that they are in... Oh my gosh, what's going on here? Hey, that hurt. Are you blind or something? What's happening here? Waste of narc. What are you doing in here? I know you're not main story guys. Alright, go! Get out of here. Don't do that to lady. Oh god, get out of there. Yup! And I got your head! The Japanese passed laws to stop them from having bank accounts and made it so you can hold someone without charges for ages and ages. Eventually, it starved them out and the Yakuza barely exist anymore. Oh. Wait, they pass laws from having bank accounts and made it so you can hold someone without charges. Wait, what does that mean? Eventually starve them out. What? So wait. I don't know how it worked back then. So like in America, the cops can arrest you, but they can't keep you in jail without criminal charges, right? It's not like that in Japan. Oh. Wait, really? Oh yeah, they said they can't keep you in jail without criminal charges. So you always have criminal charges if you go to jail in America. But in Japan, they didn't do that? There's still a few areas that are controlled by Yakuzas, but it's not as violent as back then. Oh. Yeah, I would think that it's the default that if you go to jail, you get criminal charges. Like, you either pay the price or you pay with time. But I'm very surprised that Japan does not do that. Yeah. I'm so sorry. I don't know if I believe you. Let me see. Do I get something? Top grade bait. Wait, that's actually pretty good. It attracts tons of fish. Let's put this in the item box. They were just looking at me. They were like, wait a minute. That's the guy. That's the guy. It really is you, Majima-san. Shiny shoes. No, they arrest people and let them go or drop charges all the time. What? That's insane. That is very inconsistent.
今頃蒼天堀でのたれ死んでんのかと思ってたがよ。組から消されたあんたがカムロ町で何してる？ちょっと話聞かせろや。事務所までつらかせ。い
や、悪いけど急いどるんや。
Sorry, but I'm in a hurry.
また次顔出させてもらいます。
Some tourist areas in Japan are protected more by the Yakuza than the police. Ah, I see. Probably to prevent tourists from doing stupid things.
親父から許しが出たなんて話は聞いてねえぞ。何黙ってんだよ俺。
Silent treatment. He's like, I don't know where Makoto is.
偉なったもんやな。いつから俺に備え口叩けるようになったんや。
決まってんだろうが。あんたが組に逆らった時からだよ。
Shimano family. Oh, this is not the Dojima family. Whoa, I cannot believe how much damage that Majima's doing. What are you doing trying to protect yourself? You asked for this fight. Oh, good. Alright, there we go. I finally got you. I was trying to do this, the heat skill. Oh, what? I thought you had a blade. Oh my gosh, two at once. Oh. Kind of crazy. Oh, and I just sit here and wait. I just sit here and wait. What a funny move. That's a bit how Japan got that secure reputation. I thought it was more because people kind of behave there. Oh, I see. So the Yakuza do it to
真島さん。
create some order.
若い者のご無礼をお許しください。このお詫びにお連れしたいところがあります。
こいつらにも言うたんやけどな。俺は今急ぎの用があるんや。
島野の親父があなたをお呼びです。
なんやと。
それより大事な用があるということでしたら遠慮しますが、そんなもんあるわけないですよね。
What's happening here? We're having a cutscene. Ooh, you're eating a lot of them at once. Not one at a time, all at once. He looks familiar.
何遠慮しとるんや、真島。少し見んうちに酒あかんようになったんか。
Futoshi Shimano, patriarch of the Shimano family.
いえ。なんも怖がることないで。
He looks like a character, all right.
お前に話があるんや。
急な呼び出しだな、兄弟。
佐川。水臭いこと言いなや。お前こそこっち来てるんやったら声かけてもらうな。
I can't imagine somebody in real life having eyes that small. They're like so close together.
これで全員や。久々にうまい酒が飲めそうやな。
で、用ってのは何なんだ、兄弟。
そらこっちのセリフやろ。
I'm gonna say, he looks like this one character I saw in a game, which was Tales of Destiny. He was like a fist fighter character. It's like, you look just like it.
どうせ全部お見通しなんだろ。でなきゃこんなお膳立てはしねえもんな。牧村誠が蒼天堀から逃げた。今橘不動産ってとこの連中が女連れてカムロ町に来てる。
Well, let me read this real quick. But if you are a tourist in the Yakuza area, you are protected. Oh wait, if you're a tourist in a Yakuza area, you're protected. Unless, of course, you're a stupid moron. Somehow you got your wallet stolen. Ask the first nicely dressed guy in the street and you'll get it back. Don't ask how. Wait, that's kind of cool. Wait, they're like doing public service rather than what is it? Rather than being like, I guess like how they're acting here and stuff, being money hungry. These guys actually do it just to protect the people. They're like little superheroes. That's so sweet. That's because it'd be bad for business otherwise. That's why the French Quarter in New Orleans is fine, but a lot of the city isn't. Ah. So they do it to get a better rep. I see. I mean, it might make it a lot more admirable for some kids going like, I want to be part of the Yakuza so I can protect the people and get rich. Not really, but they would still do blackmail and extortion. Ah, okay, they're still not good people. Not really, they're just protecting their business. Ah, I see. So they're not good people. It's just that some tourists don't realize they're Yakuza. They'll be like, hey, good sir, dressed in a nice suit, can you help me get my wallet back? And you see these guys punching the guy down, going like, here you go. And they have their fist all bloody, and they're like, okay.
ほう、そないなことになっとったんか。
I don't know if the Yakuza would look all burly like they do in this game, though. If they just look like normal people that are just well dressed. rather than like, I don't know, would they get would they look more burly? Because then I'll be very intimidated to talk to a well-dressed man that's very big looking, go like, "Hey, help me." Alright.
全部わしの計画のうちや。
何？どういう意味ですか？
そもそもな、真島。わしがお前に牧村
計画
誠を
means
殺せ
plan.
言うたんはお前には殺せんと踏んどったからや。
おい、なんだそれ。
What did you just say?
わかるやろ、真島。わしはお
So what
前
the
以
F?
上にお前っちゅう男をよう知っとるんや。目に浮かぶで。殺しの命令を受けたお前は女殺せんと
Wait,
どっ
what?
かにかくまったんやろ。わしの狙い通りにな。
Wait, Mono wanted him to do that?
説明してくれんだろうな、兄弟。
お
その前にお前らもう殻の一坪は見たか？
あ？
殻の一坪は七福通りと太平通りに挟まれた一帯にある端切れの土地や。そんな土地が今登場界の鍵を握っとる。堂島組の連中が大金つぎ込んできたカムロ町再開発計画。その生き死にが殻の一粒にかかっとんのや。もし堂島宗平がその土地を手にしてみ、そっから生まれる再開発の利権を手土産に登場界の跡目や。あんな頭の足りん小物がトップになったら登場界はしまいやで。
Yeah, I think the best course of action, just talk to Makoto, ask for her land transfer and stuff, and she'll do it. She just does not want to die.
せや、あいつほど厄介な男はおらん。わしが登場界とんのに一番邪魔な男や。
People are solving this with violence instead of negotiating with her.
不動産の桐生一馬いうのもその風間の手下や。
桐生一馬。
They probably just want to get it from her for free, but I'm sure she's willing to give it out for a discount.
せやから立花不動産中兵隊を使ってる。
Unless in Japan it's a set price rather than
それ言ったら兄弟
you
も同じ
name
だ
the price.
今は直系の島野組も元を正しゃ堂島組の系列。堂島宗平ってかつての親に弓は引けねえ。だから組から名前消した真島ちゃんを使うしかねえんだろ。
せやな。
で、兄弟の狙いは
What's your
何
game
なん
with
だ？
all this?
殺せと命令してまで牧村に真島ちゃんを近づかせた理由は
信頼を得るためや。口約束とは違う。
Not some backdoor deal cut over
本物の
dirty
信頼
chat.
だ。
はなるほど。愛か。
せや、
Love.
女から見れば、 殺し屋のくせに自分を助けてくれる真島ほど
I see. Yeah, that's why you get Majima to do it.
いずれ真島の言うことやったら何でも聞くようになる。それが
True?
わしに土地を売れいう話でもな。
Shimano is giving him another
女は
chance?
好きになれば何でもする。愛は盲目ってやつか。
Yeah, we could do it the safe way, and I think
そしてもう一つ。
Majima will be down for
牧
that.
村誠には別の理由でしばらく身隠してもらう必要があった。
何のために？
登場界内部の風間派を全部あぶり出すためや。それを知っとかんうちには、わしも登場界は取れん。女が消えたら案の定動き出した登場界の人間がおった。それが日教連の世良や。 あのセラを動かしたんはお前の手柄やで、真島。風間とセラのつながりはわしにも見抜けんかった。
セラなら俺が始末しといたよ。
いや、あいつはまだ
He's still alive?
今日カムロ町でセラを見たもんがおる。
あ、なんだと？
それでええんや。殺すには早い。バックに風間がついとることさえ分かっとれば、逆に日教連を利用できることもある。真島、お前、もう負け
You don't have to kill her anymore. Yay! This is the best possible news.
そん代わり、あのお嬢ちゃん。
No, 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 no.
取り戻してわしんとこにお連れせ。大事な客人としてや。わしがきっ
You
ちり
better pay her and not try to kill her to get the money back.
それさえうまくやったらお前登場会に戻したるわ。女もお前も
It's like you can get the girl too.
お前惚れとんのやろ、あの女に。
I don't know how I feel about this.
だがな、
It's too good.
あい
It's
に
too
く
good
そ
to
の
be
女がど
true.
こにいるかわからねえんだ。全部お前の計画のうちってんなら手貸してくれよ、兄弟。
I do not trust that guy. He's gonna shoot her.
立花不動産の桐生や。せやったらその兄弟分の錦山いうのから居所たどったらええ。錦山も風間の
Saying all of this to Majima, he's gonna have his guard down because he's gonna be like, okay, I'll bring Makoto over.
やれやれ。よかったな、真島ちゃん。女は殺さなくていい。登場会にも戻れる。与えられた仕事さえ完璧にこなせばな。いいことずくめじゃねえか。これでみんなハッピーってわけだ。
せやからええ話がある言うたやろ。真島。
I don't know how I feel. I don't know. I don't think Makoto's gonna live. I think she's gonna die.
ただのピエロちゅうわけか。
おい、落ち着けよ。
負けてきれんならもうパチンコなんかやめろって。
うるせえんだよ。
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
おいてめえ。
That's just a kid. He's gonna... Do not mess with Majima.
なんかこいつやばくね。
This guy's bad news. Yeah, good. Don't mess with Majima. He will mess you up.
やべって。
What the heck? Out of nowhere.
謝れっつんだよ。
どうでもええ。
は？
Ooh.
好きにせえや。
マジかよ。
Oh my gosh.
上等じゃねえか。
あ、よっしゃ。俺にもやらせろ。あらあらあら。
Oh my gosh. Yeah, just some violent kids.
ピエロで上等や。
Maybe he wanted that. Maybe he just wanted to wake up a little. Why is he trying to act nonchalant? Alright, it says, moping about it won't get me anywhere. Oh, I gotta find her. I'll start with this with Nishikiyama at the Kazama family office. Make him tell me where Kiryu is. Ooh, they're gonna meet! Oh my gosh! I'm so excited. Kazuma and Kiryu meets. Oh my gosh, who am I gonna play as if that happens? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I have new abilities that I could unlock as well. So there is the Azure Dragon Spirits, bolsters your defense when in heat mode. And then there's heat retention damage, reduces the amount of heat loss when you take damage from an enemy attack. Quick step blow, deliver a blow to the enemy after performing a quick step. Ooh, wait, that's actually pretty good. Let me see what the other ones are. Weapon Master 1, one-handed stick, and then this one is Weapon Master Bat. Your weapon durability won't drop when wielding a bat as long as you remain calm. I see. And then this one is Weapon Master Tonfa. Ah, so he's like a Weapon Master with this skill. Okay, let me see. Heat retention damage and Azure Spirits. Let's do heat retention damage. You won't get me. The Cosmo family office. This Yama guy's supposed to be regular here. I'm sure I have to throw down whenever he's in there or not. Am I ready? Yeah, let's enter the building. I'm ready. I got so much bento boxes. Let's do this stuff. Maybe I have pads. Oh, Salary! It's been a while. Hello!
Oi, mate. Who
the heck are you?
真島言うもんや。堂島組の錦山来とるか。
Oh wait, that's Kitty's bro.
お知り合いですか？
いや。
Hi hi.
これから初対面や。
ああ？てめえふざけてんのか？何者だこれ？
Yeah, we're not bros. But maybe we will.
おめえもういいから帰れ。ここどこだと思ってんだ？
Watch your language.
ほら、消えろっつんだよ。
よせ。そいつは真島だ。
Urusei? Oh, that means shut up!
真島って
Urusei!
真島五郎ですか？
Urusei!
3年前島の組から消されたって話だったがな。間違いねえ。
あんた誰や？
風間組若頭の柏木。
Oh, that was the guy that was over Kiryu.
あんたが錦山に何の用がある？
He was like a father to Kiryu.
から錦山出せや。
俺がお前の言うこと聞く義理でもあんのか？
Ooh, is a fight gonna break out?
お前は登場界から抹消されてる。ここはお前が来ていい場所じゃねえ。
ええ加減にせえ。俺は錦山出せ言うとるだけやで。さっさと出さんかいボケが。
錦山も桐生も。お前には渡さねえよ。
Yeah, they're his boys. He can't give them up.
お前らはいい。こいつは俺が。
Oh, we're fighting Hashiwaki?
真島。
Hi, Brittany! How are you? I will hydrate.
この神聖な事務所、お前の血で汚されちゃかなわねえんでな。
こない小汚い事務所でよう言うわ。ま、ええやろ。
I'm okay, how are you? I'm doing good. I actually feel very accomplished from yesterday. So it's like, oh my gosh, I made so much progress. I'm hoping to make a lot of good progress today too for the model, because I really do want to finish Koya's model as soon as possible. I'm so close.
俺が面倒見てるビルでな。好きに使わせてもらってる。お前の死体が転がってもすぐに始末できるってわけだ。
ほんまにあんた一人でよかったんか？今からでも遅ない。手下呼んでもかまへんのやで。
それじゃつまんねえだろ。俺もお前とは一度やり合ってみたかったんだ。 おかげでさっきから血が騒いで仕方ねえんだよ。極道の差がって
A Yakuza's nature.
派手に行こうじゃねえか。おっ始めようぜ、マジマ。
Alright. Well, this is a good place to fight. It's a lot of open space. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. I just don't like to be close to the edge. Oof. I'm sorry, Kashiwagi. I have a lot of respect for you. That's so funny to get that. What is it? That achievement. Oh, there we go. I don't know how I feel. It's getting redder. Oh my gosh. We're just bullying the guy. I don't know how I feel about this. He's not even that strong. I'm just beating up this guy. Oh. Which button? Oh! Ouch. That was very fast. Ooh. Oh, he's taking it seriously. Alright. Eat some. You can't stop this once I start. Ooh. Oh, he's taking it really seriously. Oh, there we go. Yup. There it goes. He was a monster? I felt like I was one side bullying him.
柏木さん。
ええとこに来たやないか。錦山っちゅうやつは
He
どこや。
barely fought back. I was just kicking him.
さっさと答えんとこいつの左目えぐるで。俺と揃いにして。
No, don't do it. Machima, you're not that person. You're better than that.
刺すな。
セレナって店だ。天下一通りにセレナって店がある。西山さんはよくそこで飲んでる。
Okay.
そうか。おらんかったら。また戻ってくんで。
Better hope he's there. Nishikiyami's supposed to be Serena and Tenkaichi streets. I feel like you're the bad guy here, Majima, rather than a good guy. You giving threats like that? I don't think that's very noble. Oh boy. No. The guys give a go. This is dumb. Wait. What was that sound? Okay, never mind. That was for the quest. That's why I made that sound. I thought it was a card on the ground. Oh, who is this? Okay, I think only Kiryu can talk to that guy. Could I get something in the 10,000? No, don't do it. Don't do it. Stop it. Stop the gamba. Stop the gamba. It's not here. I think it's... Oh, can I... Okay, how do I get there? I thought for sure it was here. Oh, it is. Serena, this is the place. Nishikiyama's favorite drinking spot. If he ain't here, it'll be back to square one. Either way, I gotta go get a lead on this Kiryu guy. Imagine, they're both together. Alright, here goes. I don't know when this takes place, if it's before Nishikiyama got in contact with Kiryu. Oh, he is here! Oh, Reina's suspicious.
良さそうな店やな。
ありがとうございます。
帰るよ。
なあママ、この店錦山いう男の行きつけって聞いたんやけどな。
お
実際よう来るんか？
ええ。
誰だ？あんた。
真島言うもんや。
あんたの探してる男だって言ったらどうする？
俺がほんまに探しとるんはお前やない。牧村誠いう
Oh, no, 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 that's a bad thing to say.
橘不動産の桐生と一緒におる。その桐生のとこに案内してもらいたいんや。
真島って言ったか、あんた。
ああ。
俺がこの世界に入る前、島の組に真島って人がいたらしい。下手打って左目えぐられたって聞いてるよ。
Oh, people know who he is?
街から姿消したってさ。登場界に復帰したってことですか、真島さん。
No, not yet.
まだや。
だったらなんで牧村誠を追ってんだ？
あの子を守るためって言うたら信じてくれるか？
何？
お前の兄弟分はどこ？牧村誠どこに隠しとる
？Oh, don't shoot him, please.
錦山君。
お前じゃ俺には勝てん。
Oh.
笑わせんな。会ったばかりで俺の何がわかんだよ。
今ので何もわからんようやから、お前は俺に勝てんのや。
あんたも分かっちゃいねえよ。あんたの目に俺がどう映ってんのか知らねえが、俺は死んでも兄弟を売る男じゃねえ。
I respect it, honestly.
そういうことかいな。
確かにあんたは強えらしい。
Because I understand being suspicious of Majima.
そうわけにはいかねえんだよ。
But I think they should talk to Makoto and ask her about Majima, saying, "Do you trust Majima?" And if she says yes, then it's like, okay, we'll let you. Oh my gosh, we are destroying Serena right now. Oh snap! Okay, you actually pack a wilder punch than. Oh my gosh. Oh! I don't want to do that to Nishikiyama. Oh god. Get out of there. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh, he fights it really well. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh snap, oh snap. Get some food. Eat. Oh god, get out, get out, get out. the... Ah! Nice swing! Oh. Yes! Yes! Take it! I'm sorry. That's so funny. Thank you so much. Yummy! Oh god. Yummy. Thanks for the meal. I think they just wanted to have you fight Kashiwagi and Nishikiyama. Ah, I see.
もうやめて。
やめてほしいんやったら言えや、錦山。桐生はどこや。
待って。あなたが探してるのは牧村誠でしょ。
よせ、レーナ。
彼女なら姿を消したわ。もう桐生さんの元にもいない。
なんやと。どういうこっちゃ。
錦山君も今彼女のこと探してるの。ここに来たのもその誠さんを探すために。
ほんまなんかその話。3時間くらい前だ。
Right after her brother was killed,
彼女
she...
の兄貴が殺された直後、行方が。
ちょっと待て。なんなんや、誠の兄貴っちゅうんは。
知らないのか。立花哲、立花不動産の社長が彼女の実の兄だ。
So this did happen after the death of Tachibana.
10年前に中国で生き別れてる。一人で日本に密航してきた立花は、後から妹も来日してたと知って彼女を探してた。牧村誠の方もずっと兄貴を探していたらしい。彼女が蒼天堀にいたのは、
Uh-oh, my controller disconnected.
そこに立花がいると思ってたからだ。その兄貴がひでえ殺され方して、あの子はしばらく放心してた。俺も桐生もかける言葉がなかった。気がついた時にはあの子は姿消してた。目が見えない。
Where would she go?
どこ行ったんだ。
最後に女見たんはどこや。
西公園のホームレス街。そこに連れ帰った後にあの子は消えた。
そしたら今頃街を出歩いてるかもしれんちゅうことか。あの子はヤクザが行さん狙っとるんやぞ。
あんたさっきあの子を守る。
Yes, it was true.
あれ本当なのか。
ああ。
だったらあんたも探してくれ。あの子に何かあったら俺も桐生も死んだ立花に合わせる顔がねえ。くそ。
Yeah, he will definitely beat you guys up. It's like, oh, I have a new reformed body. He's super jacked up. What do you mean you didn't protect my sister? She's somewhere here in town. If I don't find her soon, she'll get snatched up again. Find Makoto! Where? How will I do that all by scratch? That's kind of crazy. Really? Do I just find her randomly or something? Like, eh? Should I just use, what is this? This is Sagawa's hideout. Oh, okay, okay. That is where we started. West Park home. Oh! Oh, that's where we go! Oh, we go to the homeless area. You think? I don't know if she ran away though. Oh my gosh, it's such a long ways. Okay. Oh no. I thought I could get past them, but they blocked the whole road. Oh god. Oh, you got a knife! Oh, a taser? Ooh! You are not gonna use that knife on me. Oh god. It's because you're close. Oh my gosh, are you serious? There we go. Oh, there we go. Thank you for the lurk, Endor. Out of my way. I need to find Makoto. Makoto, where are you? Doku deshita. Help me! Wait, Fine. I will help you. The only dirt I see is you. You hear that, guys? Get him! Ah! Not the taser! Yamete kudasai! Oh my gosh. I got you. There we go. Alright, don't hit me anymore. Alright, let's see. Where is the entrance? Right over here? The park. I don't really have any business here right now. No! Wait, but then where do I go? Where would Kiryu be? Kiryu! There's a mushroom salesman over here, I remember. Wait, no, the mushroom guy is somewhere else. I think the mushroom guy... What? With this? Where'd that go off to by herself? I hear she was blind too. You figure a girl like that got somewhere to go in Kamurocho? Oh, he doesn't know. Oh. Hey. Hello? Aren't you going to fight me? He doesn't even care. Oh, this rich guy does care about money. This rich guy does care, but how do I punch him so I can like get him to fight me? Hey, hey, you're a nouveau guy. Yes, there you are. I want you to fight me. There we go. Yeah, that took you a little bit. Alright, that should finish him off. And I'm gonna get lots of money. Yippee! Yippee! Alright, and I remember there is a mushroom guy over here. I don't know if he will say anything to me. Oh, million yen. Oh, he's not here. Million yen vending machine. If you put a million yen, maybe your wish will come true. I love to gamble. You paid a million yen. What do I get? Expire. What? No way. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Scatter total of million yen. No way. Did I really throw that much money? Okay, it's this button. Let me check my inventory. This bento box has gone past the sell-by date. It seems like a waste. You better not eat it now or it may come back to haunt you. Wait, will it actually hurt me if I eat this? Should I eat it? Will it actually hurt me? Maybe it gives you debuffs. I think so, yeah. It gives you debuffs. Alright, let me discard it. away. Where would Kiryu go? Kiryu, where would you be? Where would you go? What kind of person are you? Where would you go? Where would I find that blind girl? Oh, that's not her. I don't know. Maybe I should look up at a guide. Yeah, I think it's about time I look at a guide because I have no idea where to look. Alright, let me take a look at the guide real quick. Oh god, didn't mean to do that. Control... Oh wait, not control. It's Alt-Tab. Let me take a look. Going through my guide. Let me see. I am on, I think, chapter 16 right now. I wish I could, like, go through table of contents. There it is. Oh, wait, I'm very close to the end of the game. Is it scattered light? All right, you could shop, eat. You could go to Sutanbori at any time. The only lead over is head over to the Champion District. Kashiwagi's patient fighter. You'll be able to head to Serena. Wait! If you do not respond to the quick time event, you get a trophy? Wait, what? Wait, I missed out on a trophy. Fortunately, there's no real clues to finding Makoto. She just ran off to save you some trouble. I'll save you some trouble and tell you where the destination is in the empty lot in the middle of Kamuro shopping area. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Well, I would have never guessed that, honestly. That was not obvious at all. Alright, so that area is right over here, the Champion District. And we want to go up there. Champion District. Yeah, that's... There was no hints at all. You just basically had to discover it on your own. Take a look. It's in a book. What do you mean? Wait, what? They're not here. Oh god. Dang it. Oh my gosh, there's more of them! Alright, there we go. Take him down! Swing! Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh god, I knew it. I knew it. Alright. Take care of him. We're almost there. Oh god, I knew it! Yeah! One more. just one square hit. Please, no more. Oh, is this a Gamba machine? No, I don't have any more Gamba. Alright. What? Empty lot. Maybe it's this lot? Oh my gosh. No, I don't have time for you. I've been looking for Makoto for so long. Makoto! Watch where we're going, would ya? Alright, is Makoto here? Makoto? Where are you? Oh my my gosh. I'm looking at empty lots. She's not here in the Champion District. She's not in the parking lot. What other lot would she be? It's not the children's park for sure. What about this part? This is the Serena backlot. She's not there. Where is she? Where is she? Oh my gosh, I have to look it up again because I X'd it out because I was like, oh, I know where she is now. I should have kept it up until I actually found her. All right, table of contents. I am on chapter 15. You head to Serena. Unfortunately, there's no clues in fighting Makoto. She ran off. I'll save you the trouble. It's in the empty lot in the middle of Kamaro shopping area. Kamaro shopping area. Sorry. Kamaro shopping area. This is... Oh, here it is. Empty lot? Is it this? Oh! Oh, that's her place. They literally meant the empty lot. Oh my gosh. Why was I so stupid? Of course she would go there. Because all of this tragedy happened because of the stupid lot. All of this happened because of this lot here. Wait. Am I where I think I am? Her empty lot, yeah, exactly. It should be just up here. I'm gonna slowly walk. Wow. It's just a lot. It's a lot to look at. It's all dirty. And it's all hers. Majestic. Don't jump. Don't say anything. Yeah, don't say it. I'm proud of him. He didn't say anything, so he didn't alert anybody. Say your name out loud is kind of scary.
Makoto?
Isn't there something happy to see Majima again though? Oh no, she's not herself anymore. Can she see? Oh, that's why. Oh my gosh, we're so close to the end of this game. Proof of love. So she doesn't see perfect, but she can see. Oh my god. Oh, she can see figures. Oh my gosh. You're gonna play Yakuza 1 through 8. I probably will.
もう殺されてた。
He's already been murdered.
その兄の体に触れた時ね、ずっと見えなかった目が光を感じ始めたの。
そんなことがあるんか。
兄の顔はどんなに顔
No,
近づけても
she couldn't even see his face.
分かったのは、ひどい拷問を受けて殺されたこと。堂島組のヤクザたちが兄をあんな土地のせいで。
まさか復讐なんて考えなや。
Yeah, don't do that.
事情が変わったんや。俺の雇い主はもうお前を殺さん言うとる。今のそいつの狙いはお前の命やない。あの土地をお前から買い取ることなんや。せやからそいつに会うて土地手放したらもう誰にも狙われんようになる。
Exactly.
安心せえ、俺が一緒におる。何があっても必ず守ったる。
私のことなんかどうでもいい。
What?
私には死んでもやらなきゃいけないことがある。もしあなたが
You really
私
wanna
を
help
助けたい
me?
と思うなら手を貸して。
Whatever you say, girl.
兄を殺したのは殻の一粒を狙うヤクザたち、堂島組の3人の幹部、そして堂島宗平。
俺にそいつらを殺せっちゅうんか。
お金なら払える。
Oh,
10億で足りる？
what?
そもと私のことも殺そうとしたんでしょ。お願いだからあいつらを殺して。きっとあなたは兄がそのために私と出会わせてくれたんだよ。だったら兄は私が仇を討つのを望んでるってこと？
No, he does not.
お前の兄貴がそんな男のわけないやろが。
That's not what he brother wanted. He just wanted to see you again.
待てよ。
ほっといて。もう一人で平気だから。
Oh.
誠。
ほっといて。
なあ、たこ焼き食いかんか。
You wanna grab some takoyaki?
たこ焼きや。
I mean, that can make some people
それ
feel
食った後
better.
でまだほっとけ言うんやったら俺はそこで消えたる。
またお腹が空いてるから落ち込むんだっていうの。
No.
あかんか。
いいよ。でも食べたらもう私に構わないで。
その話は食ってからにしろや。
Mm-hmm. Oh, I love how Majima's handling this. So let's eat some food.
本当に食べに行くの？たこ焼き。
当たり前やろ。言うで。
Yeah, let's roll. Oh, sorry, I did not read that out loud. Better take it slow for her. Alright, so if I walk this slow. She just plowed right through that guy. Like, I'm taking some lessons from Majima. She was hanging around Yakuza for so long. I feel so sorry for her. Oh. Where did you go? Oh, there she is. I was afraid for a second. Like, where'd you go?
まだよう見えてへんのやろ。ようそんなんで街中歩けたな。怪我してへんか。
大丈夫だから。
Man. Yeah, he going slow for her so that she can take her time. Oh, did you? Oh, Makoto! She got plowed. People really don't watch where they're going because this girl can't see well. She got what? She got plowed. Oh, I see. Ah, it's a long line for takoyaki. What a shame.
どうかしたの？
あのよ、たこ焼き屋に人がめっちゃ並んどる。
A million people decided it was takoyaki night.
そういえば私、さっき屋台を見かけたか。
屋台ってたこ焼きんか？
多分。匂いがそんな感じだったから。
どこで見たんや？
なんか広場みたいなところ。周りに大きな建物がいっぱいあった。
この辺りで広場言うたら劇場前広場やろか。ほな、そっちに行ってみようか。
Alright, another takoyaki place. How far is that? Oh, not too far. Yeah, it's just a little ways upwards. I just hope that Makoto doesn't get in trouble. I'm taking a watch. Oh, Makoto! You keep tripping! She keeps saying that she could do this herself.
Huh?
Thanks for walking slow. That's so sweet.
走り疲れただけ。せやからちゃんとはぐれんでついてきや。
Watching her.
たこ焼きの屋台、この辺りだった気がする。
そうか。ほな探してみるか。
Oh, girl! The moment I take my eyes off of you. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna keep watching you. I cannot trust you walking because you keep tripping. Oh my gosh. We're almost there. Yummy yummy takoyaki.
やっぱりたこ焼きなんていいって。私一人で。
Nah, I insist. You're getting takoyaki. Majima, hold on to her or something. She doesn't want to. I think she's just full of anger right now. Anger and sadness. She's not even using her cane. Aww. Aww. Is there gonna be a romance between these two?
うるさいわ。
いい人じゃないね。
Oh.
ぐだぐだ言うとらんとさっさと焼けや。
Let's talk more cooking. She said he is a keeper.
大変な目にあっても、まだ私を助けようとしてくれる。この人がいなかったら、今頃もう私は。
He's a keeper for yeah, I know. He is.
おまけでもう一つサービスしちゃ
I
う。
could throw an extra one for free.
本当ですか?
Oh, I don't want this to end, please. I feel like this is the coming of something bad. They always do this.
ごちそうさま。大阪にも負けてないね。カムロ町のたこ焼き。
ああ。そんだけお前は世間知らずやったっちゅうことや。
そうだね。
どうやって堂島組に復讐する気なんや、お前。
教えない。
アホ
ホな真似はよせや。それにもし俺が手伝ったとしても、組の人間に手出したら連中はどこまでも。結局お前は殺される。その場合どないな目に遭わされるか俺にもわからんのよ。
私のことはどうでもいいって言ったでしょ。
もう少しだけ考えろよ。
Thank you.
今さらそんな急ぐ必要あらへんやろ。
それならあなたの方も考えて。私に手を貸すかどうか。あなただって考えが変わるかもしれない。美味しかったな、たこ焼き。もう一個食べない？私買ってくる。
ここにおれや。まだ目がよう見えんのやろ。
Yeah.
俺が買うてきたる。
Oh, I hope not.
ごめんね。
Rather than that, maybe they should go together. Oh, whoops. Come on, controller, you can do it.
すぐ戻ってくるわ。ちょ待っとけ。
You stay together. I don't trust.
早く食べたいな、たこ焼き。
I really want that
さっき
takoyaki.
食ったばかりやろ。ほんまにたこ焼き好きやな。
The takoyaki was good.
ああ、食欲があるんはええことや。また買うてきたるからちょ待っとけや。
ごめんね。
I don't want to leave you. We go together. Ah, snap. I don't trust. Hello there. You're the gentleman from before. That was some darn fine takoyaki. I'll take one more. Is that so? Aren't you the sweetest? You just take as many as you like, honey. On the house. For real? All the same. Just one right now. I bet... you bet I'll be back to buy more one day. Thanks, lady. Anytime, dear. You got piping hot takoyaki. Alright. Alright, got some takoyaki. Now back to the children's park before it gets cold. I know she's not gonna be there. She's not gonna be there. She's gonna be gone, right? I knew it! I knew it.
あんちゃん。
ああ、
たこ焼きくれや。
何言うとるんやお前。
さっき公園から出てきたお姉ちゃん
No
から
way, really?
あんちゃんに伝言
She
預かってて
lied!
何やと。
その子もあんたの名前知らねえっつうからたこ焼き持ってんの目印に声かけ
She
ろ。
never knew his name was
お
Majima?
姉ちゃんは誠って名乗ってたけど、伝言
Yeah.
の相手あんたでいいんだよな。
あのアホ。
明日の5時空の一坪の上にあった屋上に
I
来てって。
see. Okay.
そんだけ伝えたらあんたにはわかるって言ってたけど。
明日5時屋上。
伝言のお礼は
She knew that she couldn't get away from Majima, so this is the way she did it.
さっさと持ってけや。
ごちそうさん。
It's about time to go meet Makoto. Who knows why she gave me the slip last night, but she wouldn't do this without some sort of plan. I ain't about to leave her by herself. Regardless if she wants me there, I'll be there. Yeah, it just sounds like they're not getting that lot. And then also, Majima's not getting Makoto. Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go. Oops, wrong way. We want Makoto to be safe. That's all we want. Makoto, don't do anything bad. Alright, so over here, there's the entrance. But that piece of trash! Yeah, yeah. As long as Makoto's alright. Makoto should be waiting up there. Whatever comes next is a problem I gotta solve when I get to it. No time to stand around here thinking. Where are you, Makoto? Oh no. I hope he doesn't get shot.
どこほっつき歩いとんねん。誠。
What time is it? Did it say it was 12? It's supposed to be 5. Oh, she's here? Oh no.
What? どこの組のもんや。渋沢組だ。
渋沢組？
うちの雇った鬼人会。てめえのおかげで散々下手打ってな。仕方ねえから消す羽目になっちまった。
What do you mean?
お前らが西谷を。手間かけさせやがって。
What?
いい加減目障りだぜ。誠はどないした？
What'd you do with
あの
Makoto?
女からうちの親父に土地を譲りてえって連絡が入ってな。丁重にお迎えしてやったよ。
なんやと？あの子が自分から渋沢に連絡したっちゅうんか？
振られちまったな。今頃親父は女を堂島組長に。
What? No, they're gonna kill her!
しかし女ってのはわかんねえもんだな。あいつはわざわざお前がここにいるって俺らに教えてくれたよ。
Why is she betraying us?
しつこくつきまとってくるから追い払ってくれってよ。
堂島組長と女はどこで会うんや？
関係ねえだろ。お前の行く先はあの世なんだからな。
あの子は俺を呼
She
ん
wants
どる
me to be there. Sending your clowns here is a good and formal invitation.
は
あ？あの子はどこにおんね
All right. Shibu, Sawa family, you're all going down. Makoto's gonna be safe because I know the Dojima family is gonna kill her. They're not gonna. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Alright, take one down. Right here. Yeah. Ooh, snap. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Yes! Nice. Got one, another one now? Alright, we should be able to... Ooh. Nice. Oh, I see you have a sword. Oh, get out, get out, get out. Ooh, ow! Yep, take him out. I have so much money. Oh, did he? No, he did not fly off the roof. Alright, nice. Got him. Where is she?
そらはよ言えや嫌な他のもんに聞くその前にお前には死んでもらうけどなはよ言え六本木
Roppongi, the Sebastian building. Rooftop terrace. Gotta get to the Sebastian building. Meow! Pronto! No telling what she's gonna planning to pull. Alright, we're going to the Sebastian building. Oh my gosh, why are there so many points that I can go to? Eh? What's happening here? You know what? I never got to fight the... I think it was the 5 Kings in Kiryu's route. And I'm already nearing the end of the game. Taxi? Oh yeah, you're right. But the taxis are usually on the edges. Yeah, we got a taxi. Wait. They're all... Oh! They're taxis! I see! That's why they're all lit up. Because there's a taxi all here. They're options of a way to get there. Out of my way! Okay, I'm not bothering you. You think Star's gonna cut it? Yeah. Alright, where would you like to go? Sebastian building. Very well, sir. Alright, Makoto! I'm all geared up and ready to go. Maybe not my abilities. But I could go through it. Oh, they're doing the paperwork.
Oyaji, Makimura Makoto-sanをお連れしました。
よくやった、渋沢。次期若頭、これで決まったな。
Who's the new captain?
兄貴たちの協力のおかげです。お二人には今後も堂島組のことを支えてもらわねえと。
それで、牧村さん。空の一坪の件で俺に話があるって？
土地はあなた方にお譲りします。
You can have the land.
あんな土地、私には必要ありませんから。
おじい様の残された土地だ。そう無下にするもんじゃねえよ。
条件があります。
What's the condition?
10億でも不服か。
お金はいくらでも結構です。
Why?
ただし、これまで空の一坪に関係してきた若頭補佐のお三方。
Ooh.
その人たちは私の兄を殺しました。橘不動産の社長。
What's she gonna do? Is she gonna tell them to get rid of them?
私の兄です。
それで
あなたの手下の首を見
She
つ
wants their heads?
私の前に並べてください。堂島組長。
Oh.
それが殻の一つをお譲りする条件です。
Oh, snap. Will that even make her happy, honestly? I think that's a bitterness of going like, I don't mind giving you the law, but I don't want those people alive. To the extreme of saying she wants their heads? Makoto, you're not like this.
誰だありゃ。
マジマ
渋沢組が始末したんじゃねえのか。
マジマ止まれこれ。
うっさいわボケ。
え
Huh?
お前らに構ってる暇はないんや。道明けな血見るだけやで。さっさとどかんかいボケが。
Oh my. Yeah, they're not gonna pay the way for you. Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Oh. Come on, I'm trying to do my heat move. And you have very little HP. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. Go to my abilities, go to Slugger, see what else I can raise. I could probably raise Azure Spirit, Weapon Master Bat, or Weapon Master One-Handed Stick. I don't know if these even matter. But I could just go ahead and get the Azure Dragon Spirit. I could get 2 skills up. Do I actually have... Spend a total of 1 million. Let's see. My equipment. Oh, I have a slime gun! I never used this. Wait, I never used my slime gun. I don't even know how to trigger them out. But yeah, I can probably switch those 2 around. Yeah, switch those 2 around. Go to my abilities, a Slugger, and then grab this skill. What? It's fit. I could purchase this, right? Why can't I buy it? Is it because it's locked here? Oh, I can't buy these. Oh. Wait, then how do I unlock all of this? This whole thing up here? It's all Weapon Master stuff. Looks like it's locked. Yeah, they're all locked. Huh. I guess the only thing I could do is just get some of these other skills raised up. Because I know this class is not too bad. I just never got to level it up before. So yeah, I could do this. Oh, I have to first get these other skills before I can actually get these. Oh my gosh. It's like, sorry guys, hold up. Let me level up some skills before I actually start fighting you guys. It's like, oh, make it quick. This. Oh my gosh. I make so much money. Disruption immunity. Oh, I got a lot there. Phantom turn. I probably can only do 2nd tier stuff right now. And then this one. Oh, I almost had enough for that one. But yeah, I probably would have... Whoa! Boost health XXL? Wow. And then tornado throw. Wait, that's kind of cool. Maybe I should try Outbreaker. Oh! Oh! Oh god, this is kind of hard to use. Ah! There we go. Really good at, whoa! Oof, 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 oof. Oof. Okay, so if I do this... Oh! Oh god. Ah! I'm losing heat! Yeehaw! Nice. Whoa! Oh god. Ouch, 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 ouch. That is not good. Maybe I should, Ah, so if I use this, I could actually use the weapon I have currently equipped. Let me see. Oh, snap. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Whoa. Wait, that actually hits really hard. Makoto! Oh no, what's happening? Did he just shoot Makoto? My gosh, there was no deal. She thought she was in demand, and she was always in the losing end. She ended up getting no money, no revenge. Hi, Cheryl. Or Cheryl? I'm sorry. Oof, what is this? First Tachibana no Makoto. I knew there was not going to be a happy ending to this. They got their lot. Ow! Hi! Ooh.
地獄に送ったぜ。ぶっ殺したぜ。
I don't know. I don't know how I feel. The way that Makoto ended up leaving. They're like, what's he doing? Ow, 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 ow. I cannot do any heat skills. Does this class not have heat skills? Ah, come on, you can do it. There we go. Oof, 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 oof. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I need to eat. I need to eat. Ooh. Oh, come on, come on, come on. You can do it. You can no. Oh no. We got a big guy coming in. Ooh, we gotta finish off all these guys before the big guy. Oh, he's here! Alright, there we go. Finish off Ando. Or Ando. Ah! Take him out too. There we go. Hiya! Alright, it's just this guy left. He won't be able to handle. He won't be able to handle this. Okay, I'm trying to do the heat skill and it's not working. How dare you body slam! Body slam me! Now I absorb your heat. Oh god, oh god. Ooh, You won't be able to escape this. You're doomed. Ooh, ooh, ouch, 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 ouch. Ow! Oh no, 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 not the stumps. Not the stumps. I'm allergic to stumps. There we go. Phew! Man, look what you done. Majima, I'm so sorry you couldn't save Makoto. You did everything you could. You cannot blame yourself for this. Wait, she's alive?
生きとる。おい誠、聞こえるか？しっかりせえ。
Oh no. He's not gonna come off lucky. Kiryu, where are you? Hi, Squid. Welcome in.
俺がわからんのか？
Yeah,
誠。
is she dead? She is dying. She got shot.
ごめんなさい。
誠。
We could save her. I don't know if we can.
何も。
Makoto, you were too greedy.
またあなたに迷惑。
もう喋らんで。
お願い。聞いて。
What is she gonna say? Is she gonna say I love you or something?
手下の首を3つ私の前に並べてください。堂島組長。それが殻の一つをお譲りする条件です。
可愛い子分の首で土地を買えと。俺がその条件を飲むと思うのか、お嬢さん。
あなたが条件を飲まなければ。 それはそれで構いません。
Oh, I should probably read if it gets to one corner if you can't read it. Let me see.
なるほど。ただ俺が思う。
The way I see it though,
あの殻の一つぼっ
that empty lot of yours is a bit overpriced. Whoa.
あんたは知らんだろう。
May not be aware of this,
あの一粒は
but that patch was only discovered by chance. All the land around it had already been bought. Nobody has a darn clue if a scrap of land was sitting in the middle of town. Not even bureaucrats. And if it stayed that way, the revitalization project can move ahead. So the only problem is if the project moves forward, and that little title holder makes a claim on the land, it goes to court and we're all screwed. situation like that could sink the whole project. But from another angle, as long as the owner doesn't cause a scene, and it's smooth sailing for the bureaucrats in the Yakuza, at this point, the only person who could, with any claim on that land, is you, who's still drawing breath anyway. Ah, many people have been digging on that to make sure, and it's true. Women and children ought to know. Ah. And that's how it happens. I knew she got too greedy. In fact, I don't think she should even went to the Dojima family at all. She should have went with what Majima said to give it to the other guy. No! No, she's dead. Is it too late? Okay, go, 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 go. Good, 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 good. They can save her. They can save her. Yay. I'm so glad he lived. Is he holding a cane though? Oh, Majima! We'll get your girl fixed up! No. Whatever he wants. He doesn't even want to be a part of the Tojo clan anymore. Proof of love. Oh, you love that girl. Man. Lots of money. Previously. Oh, we're back in Kiryu's point of view? Makoto Makamura. Oh, I hate this scene. We're probably going to be finishing Yakuza 0 today. I think we're finishing it today. How long is the epilogue? Is it very long? Hydrate, I will hydrate. If the epilogue is 2 hours, I probably will save that for another stream. Alright, let's... Okay. I need to know... If anybody has played Yakuza, how long is the epilogue? Is it just like 30 minutes to an hour? Because if so, I will finish the epilogue. But if it's very, very long, then I will save that for the next time. It takes a while. Okay, I will do this next time though. So next week on Monday will be the finale of Yakuza 0. I will see you guys. Thank you so much for coming. This was a lot of stuff to unpack. There was so much stuff that happened. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. See you. Gonna set up the raid for you guys.